What does it feel? One more time.
One more time. Let's see. Now there is.
Yeah, let's see.
This is our car. We are going towards like that lake.
They packed it. Okay, Mama. Tell me, where are we?
We are in agriculture.
Agriculture University, right?
This is Kashmir University.
Yeah.
Kashmir Agriculture University.
Yeah, where is it?
When we come to
Srinagar?
Srinagar.
Yeah, Srinagar.
Srinagar. We can come to the campus.
Yeah, so right now, where are you from?
Me?
Yeah,
I'm
Delhi?
from Ladakh.
Ladakh.
Yeah.
We changed the position just like that.
Everyone is saying, I come from Ladakh. What should I say? It's different. Yes.
Yeah, in Delhi, you're from Kashmir.
In Delhi, I was saying,
Yeah, next to the market.
no, I'm going to my home.
So yeah, just look at the heaven. Mountains, everything. Everything. This is boys' hostel probably. Yeah. Just look at it. Actually, it's pretty hot as well.
Yes.
Yeah, right? The sun like so strong, yeah. Yeah, meteorology. I mean, seriously, just look. Masjid, Jama, mosque. New one? Yeah, Central Library. You don't know this one? But it is beautiful. It's so peaceful, you know?
यो राजमा चावल दो देना आगे ब्लू टेबल पे।
Huh?
ब्लू टेबल पे यो राजमा चावल दो।
It tastes like pulao or no?
Let's have it.
Does it taste like pulao?
No, it's Kashmiri pulao. Veg pulao.
Ah. Good. Did you order cheese or veg?
Yeah, cheese.
Is it good? Yeah, let's try it. What is this place?
Mughal garden.
Mughal Garden. Srinagar.
Srinagar.
Srinagar. They have drink water as well.
Right now.
Yeah.
हाँ वाइट वाइट है ना वो बर्फ है
वापस चलो ना
नहीं म्यूट फिर आप बोलोगे पोस्ट कर दो आप बोलोगे
We're gonna come here again. This place is done. Where's Mama?
Hey. You know, due to the design, you can see this one is Mughal design, Islamic design.
Okay.
And this one is remains from the Mughal Empire time.
Okay. You made me good circle.
See? See the design. Taj Mahal. In other places you will see the same design. All of the Mughal, you know, buildings is the same design they have. Even from the water part, Fawara. It's good.
Nafur? They used to call it Nafur, I don't know. Look at the tree.
The big chinar. You want to enter?
We're gonna enter. There's like a stair there. Huh?
Let's click some pics.
Sure.
Diwak.
Mughal garden.
Mughal garden is
Then,
over.
yeah. Exit. Yeah, Mr. Flower.
जो कितना बोले? 40 रुपए देता हूँ।
ऐसी आइटम में कम नहीं होगा, बार्गेनिंग नहीं, बार्गेनिंग पता चल जाएगा, बार्गेनिंग तो बात नहीं। जो कमाता 5 रुपए कमा, हम कमाता 5 रुपए, 5 रुपए कमाता 100 रुपए में।
दो लेता हूँ करती है। 50
1000 दे दो किसी को,
या
कुछ नहीं होगा। ये ले लो 10 रुपए।
कुछ बात
ये वाला तीन सौ पश्तू
ये वाला पश्तो वाला है।
ये ले लो चीज़
ये कितने?
650 मस्त है गरम शावर एकदम गरम एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाला
ये कौन सा दुकान है आपका?
कश्मीर वाला
आपका दुकान?
इससे अच्छा
मैं अभी देख रहा हूँ। मैं अभी गुलमर्ग वगैरह जा रहा हूँ। आऊँगा फिर जब
आप बताओ यूट्यूबर हो आप?
हाँ ये यूट्यूबर है।
हाँ बताओ और दिखाऊंगा मैं।
Hi,
हाय
how are you?
फाइन वेयर फ्रॉम यू?
I'm from I'm from Kurdistan.
सॉरी
Iraq.
He's from Iraq.
Iraq.
ये Iraq से-
Iraq.
You know English Hindi language no?
No.
Iraq. Okay, you been here first time.
Yeah.
You are YouTuber. If you want to see, I will show more shawls.
आ जाएंगे
हाँ।
इसको तेरा घुमाना होगा। फिर मैं देखा अच्छा शॉल शॉल
और दिखाऊंगा मैं, आ जाओ।
फिर आ जाऊंगा।
आ
ना,
जाओ,
लेते
देखो।
समय। नहीं अभी इसको
अगर आपको मूड है लेने के लिए ले लो, अगर ऐसे YouTube फिर वही पता मुझे, टेंशन
नहीं
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 है।
मेरे को लेना है लेकिन अभी
टेंशन नहीं, if you want,
लेट्स गो।
Next time.
no, I will show.
Next time.
See, my friend. I will show you very nice piece, pashmina piece. Otherwise, come here.
मैं तो आता जाता रहूँगा बस इसको दिखा रहा था।
See the fabric. See the fabric. It's a very nice fabric, light material, lightweight. Very good.
ये वाला कितने का है?
और यार रेट करेगा, टेंशन मत ले।
अरे भाई तो रेट तो भाई
काम कम है, रेट बड़ा। See, this is embroidery one. This is a Kashmiri embroidery shawl.
It's good.
कश्मीरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी। दिस वन
This one you can get 600 rupees. For you, because you are first customer today. You
Mm.
understand or not understand? You are-
Actually, it's not for me. He's buying it for him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you are first customer
Yeah.
today. For good luck. See, this is you can put in the ring. You can put in the
Yeah,
pocket.
yeah.
It's lightweight. Color.
मैं तो 5-6 दिन यहाँ पर
हाँ,
रहूँगा।
ले लो एक पीस, कम करेगा।
नहीं भाईजान फिर
हाँ,
आ
ले लो,
जाऊँगा, आ
हाँ, ले
जाऊँगा।
लो वन, ले लो एक पीस।
नहीं नहीं अभी फिर देखते हैं भैया।
Next time. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Very,
okay.
very beautiful. Thank you.
You from Iraq, Iran?
Iraq.
Come here, come here.
Ah.
This is wait, come here, my brother. इधर आप कर के। come आ जा इधर।
हाँ।
ना बोला इसको मैं दिखाएगा।
Show me his
ये
money.
आपके यहाँ का करेंसी है।
That's Iran.
ईरान का है।
Iran. That's Taman.
ईरान, इराक का कैसा
No,
है?
that's Taman.
Taman.
Iran.
This Thailand,
This is Thailand. Okay.
Saudi Arabia. I just collected
This is Saudi Arabia dollar.
Yeah,
dollar.
this is Mauritius.
Mauritius.
This is Malaysia, Kenya, Singapore, Bangladesh, Dubai.
I don't have Iraqi dinar. Otherwise, I would give you. I don't have it on me.
You don't have?
I don't have it on me.
I just collecting this.
Yeah, I would have given you, but I don't have it on me.
Chalo, okay,
Next time,
maybe
inshallah.
next time, inshallah.
Okay.
Have a nice time.
You too.
Okay.
Bye bye. Yeah, he was doing what I was doing, collecting money. Yeah, all the different money, currencies. He has more money than I do, so yeah, fuck it. Next time, gonna try my best.